Listening. Part 3. Conversations. Question 1.
Excuse me, what time is the first bus to the airport tomorrow morning?
The first one is at 6:15. Then the next one after that is at 6:45.
Thank you very much.
Question 2.
Oh, no. I'm so sorry. I spilled my coffee on you.
Oh, don't worry. Most of it went on the table.
There's a free table over there, next to the window.
Thank you.
Question 3.
I usually get up around 6:30 and go for a run. I come home and take a shower, and then I take the train downtown. I eat breakfast with friends at a coffee shop near my office. I start work at 9 o'clock and finish at 6 o'clock. It's a long day, but I love my job.
Question 4.
You're always so relaxed. How do you do it?
I have a stressful job, so I started going to Tai Chi classes last year. They help me to stay healthy and stress-free.
Wow, I think I should try that.
Question 5.
What time do you start work?
Quite early, at 8:30, but I finish at 4:30.
That's nice. I don't finish until 6.
Question 6.
What do you usually eat for lunch?
I usually have a sandwich, but I love sushi. On Fridays, I buy a box of sushi and a bottle of green tea. It's delicious and healthy.
Sounds good. I usually only have soup.
Question 7.
Excuse me, do you have a watch? I can't find mine.
Sorry, I don't. But I have a cell phone if you want to know the time.
Oh, great. Yes, please.
Question 8.
What's your favorite day of the week?
Friday, of course. That's when the weekend starts.
Not for me. I work on Saturdays, and I need Sunday to relax. My favorite day is Monday.
Question 9.
What would you like today, sir?
An espresso and a chocolate chip cookie, please.
To have here as usual?
No, to go, thanks. I'm in a hurry today.
Question 10.
In Japan, there is a special festival for children called Shichi-go-san. It is for children who are 3, 5, and 7 years old. These numbers are good luck in Japan. The festival is on November 15th. We also have a girls' festival on March 3rd and a boys' festival on May 5th.